Okay. All right, nothing else here.
Okay.
Never give up. How's it going?
All right, you.
Just enjoying the day.
Yeah, it's a good one.
I know.
If it holds up, we'll be okay.
They say until like 12 or 1, so we're hoping so. All right, you want to go see Mama?
Yeah.
There's a few sweaters over there to have you look at. Don't touch, please. How's it going?
How are you?
Doing good.
That's your bag. Mom, have you got my bag? Mom, they accidentally throw the edge. How much on the bag? You know that. They accidentally throw.
Don't lean on the table,
What
please.
Yeah, she said she'd do $3. Let me see the back of it. Oh yeah, the birdhouses. That's cool.
Yep.
The table.
You know how to do that.
Dry cleaner, hand wash. Still worth it.
Yeah, because I was like, if you list it for 30 and undercut everybody, would you do 3 in the 30? Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't need a toy. Thank you, though. That was very kind of you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Like, I'm destined to...
She's a very aggressive saleswoman.
Hey, that could really pay off in the future.
Oh, yeah.
No, thank you. That's really cool, though. Did you wear that?
No.
No. You, oh, it's too little. Oh.
Missed the bike. Just missed it. Right down the street, the guy was driving away with it.
Yay, Addie. Addie's a big girl.
We don't buy children.
I do.
I couldn't trade her for anything.
I know. Let me see.
We wouldn't expect that.
Oh, God.
Oh,
look at
good
that
gracious.
dog, baby.
Look at that baby.
He's like, that wind is bothering my eyes.
Well, she likes it though.
Does
She is
she?
an outdoors
Where do you guys-
girl.
Hey, big
And
boy.
then there's the rest of them.
How you doing?
And you think those are, you can have cheap if you want 2 little chairs.
She needs a new grip, huh?
That's it.
Oh, big brothers. 18 there, yep.
What'd you want for it?
I'll take $5 for that.
There
you,
you
sir.
go, no problem. Ammo box. How's it going? I like that the weather's holding out.
Paddington Bear, Craftsman, 12 bucks.
No. Okay. All right, nothing else here.
Okay.
All right, love you. I like the old shirts, man.
Pardon me?
So I like the old shirts. Those are cool.
Oh, Donna knows about them.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Are you my t-shirt guy?
Yeah.
You the one that bought t-shirts last year?
Last year or year before, yeah.
I remember you.
These are cool.
Those.
These are cool.
Are those cool?
I was like, they look cool. They're really cool. Yeah, we live in... No, you're fine. And I was like, these old X-Men VHS are cool.
Yeah, they are.
And 3 shirts.
What kind of cake you looking at?
These old X-Men.
Oh, yeah. You got any more of those things?
What was that on them?
I'm like, cartoons, everything. That's my thing. All right, so you have 4, and $1 a piece. 1, 2, 3.
I ran upstairs and got it out.
Oh, okay.
Just meander through it. I'm so sorry, it's just a hot mess. But...
So you want to make it an even 10? You're at 11.
Huh?
Was that 11? Yeah, because it was like without making you break any small bills.
All I've gotten this morning is 20s.
Really? All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Never give up. Never give up.
I don't know what I'm looking at. A shirt and some bandages.
So sealed X-Men
Oh, wow.
Creator's Choice 1 and 2.
Okay.
Not home runs, but pretty cool. Okay, I lied. These are home runs. Yes, these Metal Maniac and Metalhead shirts were a great pickup. As you see here, I got one in a medium, one in a large, and then this Metalhead was also a really cool graphic. They are 1989 3D emblem on the tag. We have sold each one of these already, making $250 on 3 vintage shirts that we got for $1 a piece. Yes, we are so glad we found this stuff that has sold already. So a few quick sales there. Really good day finding just a few things, making a little over $300. But thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, do all that cool stuff for us because it's helping the channel grow. We love you, and we'll see you in the next video.